In this video I will tell you about 5 editing hacks in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Create a folder in Effects to put the effects you use most often. That way you won't search for them all the time. Surely in a big project you might get confused about where things are and spend a lot of time trying to find them. Then here's what to do. Highlight the parts you need with a certain color and find the right frames and times faster. And it looks cool. To speed up your work, create a sequence and drag and drop all your frames into it. Now drag this window above. Now you can work with each clip much more conveniently and quickly. If you don't have a powerful PC, you may often encounter many tags. To see how predictable shot turned out, select the desired fragment and press enter. That's a wrap on my favorite Adobe editing hacks. Got any of your own? Drop them in the comments,